can we push in P1? Thanks.
Let's also
Wanna
shut
use
the
my
fuck
turtle.
up,
4,
Smile.
3,
True.
2,
Alright, true.
1.
Yeah, no memes.
Well, that's the only way to play the game.
That way you play Hunter. Alright, focus up.
Bombs. Dodge breath. Bark positions. Push back 1. Dodge breath and take bombs out. Breath. Push
Ouch.
back to you. Wow, dude, that never melees you. Rogue melee. Spark positions.
It's because Yummy didn't put his curse out.
Dodge frontal, it's at the tanks. Pretty easy. Push back 3's next. Push back 3. Breath in 2, 1. Spark positions. And push back 4. We're not going to get it.
But he lives another day.
Let's go. This is the kill.
I mean, we haven't got it in 40 polls.
It's true.
Jaro,
Actually right in the numbers.
3,
eat these tricks,
2,
my man.
I
One.
thought so too.
Eat these dicks, my man. Focus
40
up.
days and 40 nights. Breath. Blue side dodge.
Must just not have that weak aura anymore.
Baiting, baiting. Do not break it open. Do not break it open. Control me. Okay, you can go. Break it.
Oh, run power.
Five seconds, blue. Bait, 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 bait. Go. Breath in 2, 1. Move big, move big, move big. We're a little on the other side. Alright, plenty of time to get over there. Red's kind of slow, so.
Huh?
We're
The fuck you just
fucking
said?
there
We're here
already.
before you.
Yeah, but we got first breath, bitches.
Excuse.
Always an excuse.
You little fucking
hooks up.
fools. Absorb shield in 10 seconds.
E.
X is in, squares find a friend. Call for externals here, do not die. X is in, inversion in 2, 1.
Oh, you assholes. Come in my room.
Inversion now.
Fuckers.
2, 1. Inversion now. Nice, I got it. Spread out. Riding the Stormwave out, helping friends here. Stormwave now.
Bot.
Charges. And spark positions out of this.
Marge, you might need some.
Sparks, I got you. Stormwave, spread out. Spread out, X is in, squares find a friend. Inversion in 2, 1, inversion now. 2, 1, inversion. Oh my goodness. Fucking owning, let's go.
Ready for TS on this next storm wave.
And spark positions, spark positions. Red. Into charges, help your friends out here. You can take it. Tempest swings, you get pushed.
I might need something, subs.
Sack. Bark positions, these gotta break quick and then you're spreading. Absorb shield is right after this.
Here.
Spread out.
On the right,
X
too.
is in. X is in.
On the right, on the right, in the back, in the right, in the back.
Inversion now. Hellstone, do not die. 2, 1, inversion. Good job.
Not gonna lie to you, man. I thought we were gonna get like bombed by a blue. Just chilling there.
Yeah, it felt fucking sketch.
Don't go too fast, remember.
Balls in 5. Remember range, if you feel like it's gonna die, you can switch targets to another one. Dodge balls and then dodge breath. Ads.
Play super defensive.
You just need to live here. Everybody needs to live. Stuns. One's going, one's going, one's going. Oh shit, one hit. Okay, get back to your spots.
A little off.
Dodge breath. Okay, we're ignoring
Six
these now. You can
northeast,
kill
root 'em.
ads. Nice, nice, nice. Breath is next mechanic. You dodge this breath and live, we're done. Breath now.
Just
Watch
kill
breath, straight through the middle, kill it. Nice.
I'll see where you at.
Okay, everybody breathe. Everybody
Okay.
breathe. Yeah, just like that.
4, 3,
Hell yeah.
1.
Hell yeah.
Stand up, boys. This is it.
Icebox, I'm gonna lust the same spot.
Stand up
After
on your
charge.
chair.
Here you go.
It's gonna be deeper into the phase here, guys. Okay, tornadoes are out.
30 seconds.
Full charge, taking it to noon. Okay. You don't get the charge, you are taking the gate. Taunts.
10 seconds.
Okay, Blast is next on Jarla. Get away from Skull.
I need an external or something.
charge.
And now.
Full charge is going into the middle.
Third
Pull into
pots.
the middle. That's right, third pots. You should be using all of that.
Time spiral.
Red.
Storm wave now, spread out. Don't let tornadoes hit. Breath.
Boss.
I got it. Res Dug immediately. Anybody that dies, you res immediately. Until I say not to.
I think you got 2 on your side.
Help this phase. I have no personals.
I have Sacri.
Got boss.
I have sack as well. Okay, full charge to moon.
Use your third
Help
pot
your
if you have
charges now. Help your charges, movement speeds, pots, everything here. Help your friends.
personal for me.
You've got sack. Tornadoes. Breath is in 5.
Divils, so you should have personal backs.
Soak tornadoes, guys.
Just soak tornadoes. We dodge this. This pull charge goes to the middle. Pull charge into the middle. Whatever CD you have left here. Whatever CD you have left.
GS me kept.
Spread out right away. Spread.
Again.
Storm wave. And tornadoes. Do not let a tornado hit. Don't let a tornado hit.
Dodge
Get out of
skull,
the front
dodge
of the
skull.
boss. Get out of the front of the boss. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it.
Come on.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Oh my god.
We're fucking done.
Fucking one shot that boss.
Night, guys.
All it took was everyone being
Oh.
P3 literally one time.
Holy
Yes,
shit.
absolutely.
boys.
Yo, there's a bow.
Is there a bow? Oh.
No, this
That's
game is shit. I'm going
That's
to games house.
unfortunate.
Do you really want the bow at this point, though?